Sir, 8 and 24.
Only one output you will get.
24.
24. Okay. Okay.
24.
We'll keep aside that answer.
So 19.
Sorry,
19.
19.
So 12.
12.
So 13.
Sir, 20. 20.
20.
Yes.
Okay, keep
Sir.
your answers with you.
22.
22. Okay. Keep your answers with you. When we discuss, you will come to know what is the actual answer. Shall I start?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Okay, ठीक है. So let us first of all observe this example. क्या है example? Class base has got int I. That I is default, not private. That means that I can access in the child class also. Huh? Keep that thing in mind. Default constructor calls add. Now add is a method inside base which takes integer, int. And then there's a print method. Sub extends base. Again from default constructor we are calling add. Base default constructor we are calling add. Child default constructor also we are calling add. And then we are overriding add. How come? This is void add int v. This is also void add int v. You know, argument must be same for overriding. Then return type can be covariant. If not covariant, it has to be same. So void same. So we are following all the rules almost. This add is default. This add is default. So overriding method has got the same accessibility as overdone method. So we are following all the rules. What does this add do? I plus is equal to v. What does this add to? I plus is equal to v into 2. I plus is equal to v into 2. Then in special we have static void display base. When the reference is base, that means I can pass either object of base or object of sub. B dot add. B dot add. So add method will be called on whichever object we pass. B dot print. Print method will be called. And now display new sub. So let us start from main function. We need diagram here. Okay. While I'm discussing, concentrate. I will draw the diagram. During your revision, if you have any doubt, watch my video. So display new sub. So first of all, you have to solve this new sub. New sub. What happens when you say new sub? New sub. So this is subclass object. Sub. Sub. Now you know when you create object of child class child, so sub will have object of parent class, that is base. Base. And base has got I with a default modifier. I. And what is the value of that I? In the beginning, nothing is initialized, so by default 0. 0. Okay. Now this is object creation. After object creation, what happens? What happens when you create object? Members are allocated memory, yes, and constructor gets called. So here, tell me as a part of revision, when you say new sub, where control will go? Sub constructor.
Sub default.
Yeah, sub default. From there, control will go to base default constructor. And we are here. We are here. Hold on. Add one. Now we are calling add one inside base class constructor. So whether it will call base class add method or child class add method.
Base class.
It will call that add method which object we have created.
Child.
Which object we have created? Sub. So this add will be add of child. Why? Because we have created object of sub. So this add will be the add method of child.